Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your HR account on Northside. To do so, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar type in northsideportal.ehr.com. It will take you to the login portal of the Northside employee account directly. And over here in the employee ID section, enter the employee ID of your account. And in the password section, enter your password of the account. Once you do that, click on the submit button. You will be logged in into your Northside employee account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, you can click here forgot your password to reset it. So this is how you can log in into your Northside employee account or Northside HR account. That's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.